Ever wondered how to change a car tire? Well, today we're diving into just that. Changing a car tire is a crucial skill that can save you from being stranded on the side of the road. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps, ensuring you'll be able to tackle this task with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, this guide is for you. So buckle up and prepare to become a tire-changing expert. Before diving right into changing a tire, certain preparations are necessary. This isn't a task you want to tackle without the right tools. You'll need a good spare tire, a car jack, and a lug wrench. Make sure your spare tire is in good condition and properly inflated. Remember, this spare is going to get you back on the road, so it's got to be up to the task. Your car jack and lug wrench are just as crucial. These are your tire-changing tools of the trade. Ensure they are sturdy and in good working order. But don't just rely on your own knowledge. Your car's manual is a treasure trove of specific instructions for your model. Always give it a glance before proceeding. Lastly, you need a safe, flat location to do the change. A level surface ensures the car won't roll while you're working. It's safety first, always. With the right tools and location, you're now ready to start changing that tire. Now that you're all set, it's time to remove the flat tire. The first step involves loosening the lug nuts. These are the metal pieces that hold the wheel onto the car. Use your lug wrench, turning it counterclockwise. You'll want to loosen each lug nut, but don't remove them just yet. Next up, we're going to use the car jack. This tool is going to lift the vehicle off the ground, giving you the space you need to remove the flat tire. Place the jack under the car's frame near the tire that you're going to change. Crank the handle and watch as your car lifts up, and away from the ground. Now here's a crucial part: safety. Ensure the car is stable on the jack before you proceed. If something doesn't seem right, lower the car back down and adjust the jack. Remember, safety always comes first. With the car secure on the jack, it's time to go back to those lug nuts. Remember how you just loosened them earlier? Now you're going to remove them entirely. Turn your lug wrench counterclockwise until the lug nuts are off. Finally, with the lug nuts removed, it's time to take off the flat tire. Grasp the tire by its treads and pull towards you. It should slide right off. Once the flat tire is off, you're halfway through. Now, on to installing the new tire. With the flat tire removed, you're ready to install the new one. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to do it correctly to ensure your safety on the road. First, take your new tire and align it with the wheel studs on your car. Push the tire onto the wheel hub until it sits flush. At this point, you should be able to see the wheel studs poking through the holes in the rim. Next, it's time to secure the new tire. Grab your lug nuts and start to screw them onto the wheel studs by hand. It's best to do this in a star pattern, starting with one lug nut, then moving to the one directly opposite it, and so on. Hand tightening them first ensures that the wheel is balanced correctly, preventing any wobble or vibration while driving. Now, with the new tire secured, you can lower your car back to the ground using your car jack. Remember, lower it gently and steadily. You don't want to jolt the car. Once the car is safely on the ground, take your lug wrench and fully tighten the lug nuts. Again, follow the star pattern for the best results. Finally, make sure to check the tire pressure of your new tire. It's important to maintain the correct pressure for optimal performance and safety. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a car tire. The open road awaits, so drive safe and enjoy the journey. Changing a car tire might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're more than capable. We've gone through the preparations, removing the flat tire, and installing the new one. Consider practicing these steps in a safe and controlled environment. This way, if you ever find yourself with a flat tire in an unexpected situation, you won't be caught off guard. You'll be confident and ready. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, go ahead and master the art of tire changing.